Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a look by baby Lexa on Instagram. I'll tag her down below. I'll make sure to put the picture right here. This look is so freaking cute. It goes with my aesthetic, it goes with just my vibe, so I want to recreate this today. Basically, I'm going to just do my face makeup. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and do my regular moisturizer. I do a combination of this Nivea cream. For those of you that have been watching my channel for a while, you guys know that I have been using this since I was young because of my mom. Yeah, I don't know. Without it, I feel like my skin is so freaking dry. Then I'm going in with the Believe True Aqua Balm. For foundation, I'm using my trusty Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation. I love this foundation so much. I've been using it for years. I don't feel the need to try anything else because I really like this, and it's really affordable. Then for concealer, I don't use concealer. I'm just going to use a little bit more of this with the pointy side of the blender just to get really in there. Foundation is done. I'm going to be going in with some bronzer. Spraying some Fix Plus on after that. Going straight in with the highlighter. While my face is still wet to get the most of the highlight. I know a lot of people don't use highlight anymore, but I still think it's cute. I like to look glowy. Like I said, my skin is super dry, so I like it. For brows, I'm just using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow. I'm using it with Fix Plus to kind of tone it down a little. My brows done. For blush, I'm gonna go pretty ham on the blush today. I'm gonna be using the From the Moon Colourpop and Sailor Moon collection. For the eyes, I'm gonna be taking my Me, Myself, and Mitchell palette. So I'm making a little heart, and I'm using a brush that already has kind of like the little heart shape. That way it's not so difficult to achieve. Then I'm just going in with a darker shade called Morning Glory from the same palette. And this is like bringing depth to the look with the lighter shade in the back and then this one in the front. So we're going to make another one. And then a really itty bitty one. And I'm just making these hearts really anywhere by making two circles right next to each other, just with the shape of the brush. Circle, and then kind of connecting them at the bottom. That's basically it, and then I'm going with the darker shade right on top. Then with the concealer, I'm just gonna make the heart on the inside. after that, I am gonna be doing the rings around the planets. And for that, I'm kind of doing a curved line, and then at the end, I'm just making a little turn. And then for this one, I'm going to do it a little bit upwards, like leaning this way, since I did this one this way. With the same liner, I'm going to be doing little stars. So for the stars, I just do like a shape like this, and then like this, and then one exactly the same but downwards, and then you just fill it in. I'm going to be using a mixture of brushes and liquid liner. This one is not going to work. I need one really tiny. Then I'm adding some little dots. And then I'm just adding some highlights with the same liquid liner to the hearts. Next, I'm just using some glitter glue. Just to put some little stars in between. Next, I'm going in with lips. I'm going to be using the Amore Matte Lip Cream in the shade Loved. That's so fitting for this video. So this is the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed my recreation of her look. I'll be sure to tag her down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a like and subscribe if you aren't already. And make sure to follow me on Instagram to see pictures of this look and all my other looks. Yeah, happy Valentine's Day. I love you so much. Bye guys.